Hi, in front of me I have GARMIN Epix Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the service menu on this device. First we need to turn off our watch. To do it, simply press and hold the light button. When the menu appears on the screen, select the power off option, this one, then select yes to confirm. After the watch turns off, we need to press and hold the down button, keep holding it, and while holding the down button, press and hold the light button to turn on the watch. Release the light button when the Epix logo appears on the screen, but keep holding the down button. And after a couple of seconds, you should enter the service menu. Here you can press different buttons to enable or disable some of the functions, like as you can see, by pressing down button you can disable or enable the OHR mode. You can also press, I believe, light button to enable and disable the backlight. And next option is to press the start/stop button to enable the motor test, basically. And we can also use back/lab button, or rather back/lab button, my bad, to go through the different tests. Here we have some screen tests, as you can see, uptime, heart rate test, GPS test, colors, again screen test. Here we have touch zones, CTP test fixture. We can press and hold the up button rather to start the test, SNS data, OHR test, my bad, NFC test, ambient light, baro test, NAT, BLE, BT test, BNS test, Wi-Fi test, as you can see the Wi-Fi is disabled, vibe test, and we can press and hold the power key. I believe this is the light key to disable the force test mode. And once you're done, you will once you scroll through all of the options, you will see the main screen of the service menu. And to exit the service menu, simply we need to press and hold the light button to turn off the watch, and then we can turn it back on by pressing and holding the light button again, like this. And that's how you enter the service menu on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.